iPhone charger. 12 feet long lightning cable provides a max-speed fast charge from USB wall charger adapter or portable charger to your iPhone 13, 12, 11, XR, XS, X, 8, 7, 6, 5, SE. Also works great as for Apple iPad charger for Air, Pro or iPad mini. Lightning cable. Extra long charging cable features an extended 10 feet length for the convenience to use at a distance from your power source, while the durable reinforced covering offers extra strength and support. Heavy-duty connectors. iPhone charger cable features ultra-strength connector joints offering a strain relief design made to endure up to 25,000 lifetime bends, allowing them to withstand the rigors of everyday use and last longer than the average cable. MFI certified. Made for iPhone, iPod, iPad, Lightning cable is designed exclusively for Apple iPhone charger and approved for Apple MFI certification to ensure your new iPhone 13 is safe from overheating or short-circuiting. Lightning compatible. For Apple iPhone 13 13s Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 Mini, 12 12s Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 11 11s Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, by, 8 8s Plus, 7 7s, 6s Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6, iPad, AirPods, Watch. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Perfect in pink and the cord is extra long. My daughter loves it.